Imagine a futuristic cityscape bathed in neon lights. A sleek, flying vehicle soars through the air, effortlessly navigating the urban jungle. Is the future of transportation here? Beam claims to be revolutionizing the way we get around with its innovative flying taxis. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive in and find out. Beam is a company that's developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Think of them as flying cars, but without the wheels. They're designed to be autonomous, meaning they can fly themselves, and they promise to offer a faster, more efficient, and less congested way to travel. The pros of investing in Beam. There are several compelling reasons why investing in Beam might be a good idea. First, the global transportation market is huge, and there's a growing demand for sustainable and efficient solutions. Beam's technology has the potential to disrupt this market and capture a significant share. Second, the company has a strong team of engineers and innovators with a proven track record in the aerospace industry. Their expertise gives them a competitive advantage. Third, Beam has secured partnerships with major cities and governments, which could provide a significant boost to their business. These partnerships can help them gain access to valuable data and regulatory approvals. The cons of investing in. While the future looks bright for Beam, there are also some potential risks to consider. One of the biggest challenges is the development of a reliable and safe autonomous flight system. Accidents involving drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles have raised concerns about the safety of flying taxis. Another risk is regulatory hurdles. Governments around the world are still developing regulations for eVTOL aircraft, and it's unclear how these regulations will impact Beam's business. Finally, there's the competition. Other companies are also working on developing flying taxis, and the market could become highly competitive. Is Beam a good buy? Ultimately, whether Beam is a good buy depends on your individual risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're willing to take on some risk in exchange for potentially high returns, Beam could be a promising investment. However, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. The future of transportation is rapidly evolving. Beam is at the forefront of this revolution, and its success could have a profound impact on our daily lives. Only time will tell if it will be a winning investment. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the future of transportation.